Good morning, students. You are most welcome in the class of English subject in class 11. Now it is the first day to begin the class. I am going to tell you first of all the syllabus. As your English is not general English, it is the English code. So therefore, you have to cover all the classes, all the topics throughout the year for the examination. Now first of all, I am going to tell the syllabus. Under the syllabus, there are 4 sections. Sometimes it is mentioned that in the 3 sections all the questions are covered, but very clearly, very vividly, it is given here the 4 sections. Your paper will be divided into 4 sections: section C, section B, section C, section D. Section C, reading, it carries 20 marks. Section B, writing, it carries 20 marks. Section C, grammar, it carries 10 marks. Section D, literature, it carries 30 marks. In this way, total 80 marks. Your written paper will be of 80 marks. So far the 20 marks is concerned, it is for the internal assessment. Under the internal assessment, you will be assessed out of the 20 marks, and out of the 20, you will be awarded the marks. In this way, the total marks of 80 plus 20 is equal to 100. And in the 100, your English subject will be evaluated. Now in the just detail about the section A. Under the reading session, there will be the 2 questions. One is for the comprehensive question, that is your unseen passage. It will carry 10 marks, and the questions based on the comprehensive passage will be maybe the multiple choice questions, or maybe the subjective choice questions. Number 2 questions, the passage for note making. The other passage will be given, and on the basis of the passage you have to make the reading and you have to prepare the notes, and it will carry 10 marks. So in this way, the section A will be of 20 marks, 10 marks and 10 marks, 20 marks. Now the section B. Under the section B, there is the writing section. It will also carry 20 marks, and this section comprises 2 sorts of the compositions. One is a short compositions, and other is the long composition. Under the short compositions, first item is the poster making. The question will come from the poster designing or poster making. Number 2, the impressions and its price. The question also may be framed under the topic, under the items impressions. Number 3, advertisements. The questions also will be framed on the topics, on the items advertisement. Advertisement is the 2 kinds: the classified advertisement and the general advertisement. General are the display, or the commercial, or the business advertisements. So in this way, there are 2 types of the advertisement. The question may be framed also in this topic. Now, 4 items. 4th items, there is a notice. The questions will be framed for the notice writing, and you will be required to write the notice also. Now the 5th point, that is the report. On the some topics you have to write the report also. The question may be framed in this on these items. Now the last one, that is the factual description. Some points are given, some topic will be remain given, and you have to give the description very fact and features, not in superfluous matters. Okay, these are the short compositions. These are the items for the short compositions. Now I will pass on to the items which will come under the long compositions. The second part, long compositions. Under the long compositions, there are the 4 items. One is the letter. In the letter, the formal and informal both letters, and the letters are the 4 kinds. One is official letters, second business letters, third letters to the editors, and fourth of the letters, it means the application or job. There are these 4 letters are prescribed in the course. Therefore, you have to take care of these kinds of letters. Next one, the other items, article. Article is also the long composition. You are required to write the articles on any topic at least 1.5 pages. Second, a speech. And this is the third items. 4th one, debate. So these first letter, second article, third speech, and 4 debates. These are the long compositions, and you are required to write at least 1.5 page or 1.2 page like this. Pass on to the next section, that is the section C, grammar. It carries 10 marks. Under the grammar sections, as you just have studied in the class 10, but so far in the class 11 discussion, there will be no any certain grammar topics. But so far the assessment of grammar is concerned, the prepositions is also important, and the voice is also important, and clause The questions may be framed from class part also. And the last, that is the most important, that is the editing part. Editing part. Under the editing, the error finding out error, and finding out the missing words. So these two types of the questions are generally and oftenly framed in the editing part. So therefore these are the correct. Now pass to the next one. This is the last, that is the section D. Section D, the literature, 30 marks. Under the literature, there are two books are prescribed in this course. One is the Hornbill. This is the textbook, and in this textbook there is the prose part and the poetry. All the lessons and all the poems are prescribed in the course. There is no any deletion. All the lessons are included. Number 2, the snapshots. This is the second book. This is the supplementary. This is the non-detailed study book. But all the lessons are prescribed. All the lessons are prescribed. But this book is the non-detailed study. Non-detailed study in the sense that no any text lines will come in the examination. Only the questions will be framed on the content. But so far as the first book Hornbill is concerned, the text lines also will come in the examinations. The text line of the poetry will also come in the examinations. On the basis of the text lines, the question will be framed, and the first questions also separately will be framed in the paper. So therefore, these two books are prescribed in the, and you have to study in the two ways. One is the long study books, the Hornbill, and second the non-detailed study book. There is the supplementary, not long. Start. So these are the syllabus in the course, and you have to prepare it fully for the examinations, very carefully and very attentively. You have to prepare it course. And that's all about the syllabus. Next thing will be provided in the next video. Thanks.